Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us character, a crewmate, and he is accusing someone else. That is the very cool pose I'm going to do. Stick around, by the way. I'm going to be doing this, I'm going to be using this, a Crayola brand marker, and I'm going to be using the typical paper I get out of the printer. This is for beginners, by the way, and it's step by step. You can draw along with me, and if you do, you don't have to use this. You can use anything you want, pencil, pen, whatever. And if you also want, you can watch it. Just watch it come to life, enjoy it. Grab a soda, grab a snack, right? And just chill out on the couch and watch this. On your computer couch. Your computer chair. Okay, let's keep going. Sorry, curve. Well, not even curve. A slight curve for the viewport of the crewmate himself or herself. Curve here. So the difference between this viewport and the other one is I'm going to have this viewport kind of curved and slightly facing left more than normal. So it's not going to have quite the pillow shape I want it to. And I'm going to have a curve here, but it's going to be that way also because I want it to be looking like it's looking that direction. And then curving in here. Alrighty. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve at the top of the head for the forehead here. Just draw a small baby forehead. I'm a huge fan of the game, by the way. I hope you are too. It seems like a lot of people are, obviously. But do me a favor and subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe and click the bell icon. When you click the bell icon, I'm going to be posting pretty much an Among Us video almost every day on the side of my other regular lessons. I just noticed a lot of people like them. So I'm going to keep posting them along with the regular lessons. Absolutely hit that subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get any notification whatsoever. Otherwise, it will not tell you a single thing. And it's been great knowing you. Have a great life. But all right, curve back here for the top of the head. I'm gonna draw him at an angle this time, so his back is he's gonna be leaning a little bit forward with his back. So that's why I'm going to be angling him out that way. Down here. The bottom of the leg, or the back of the leg, sorry. We good so far? Yeah? Alright, going over here. Continue to angle that line right there, because his body back here is moved here, so. Over yonder. I'm going to have his leg coming out there, like kickstandish. A little bit longer than normal. Curved line here. Bottom of the foot there. Straight up. Rest of the foot. Line over here for the bottom part of his body. Can you guess where this is going, by the way? Can you? I hope you can guess where this is going. Straight down. Yes. Curve here. Good job. Good job. I'm just kidding. We all know. All right. Let's go to his backpack real quick. Normally what I do is I take the bottom part of the visor and I take the top part of the visor and then halfway in the middle, I kind of measure it out. I don't draw anything though, and I move my arm back. I draw a line there at the top, and that's usually the top of my backpack. The bottom of my backpack is usually around his keister meester, so I usually do that, or lower than that. Usually it's around here. But since he's bending his back, I'm going to make it about here, his keister meester. That was in The Simpsons. Keister meester. Okay, gonna go over here, and I'm gonna pull that line down. There we go. It's like he has a turtle shell and or a loaf of bread on his back. I always say a loaf of bread because I like bread. It's really good. All right. Doing so good so far. So far, so good. Or for you watching, chill out. Hopefully you're enjoying that soda. Finish that soda. You doing good on that soda? Soda and or coffee? Okay. What do you guys drink? Soda and or lemonade? Maybe? I haven't drank anything since, I haven't drank anything. Well, okay. I haven't drank soda in like 15 years. At all. I only drink water and sometimes juice and tea. Okay, now let's draw the accusation hand. He's gonna be like, "You're the imposter," or "This is the imposter," and he's trying to throw you off. But that's what we're gonna do. Throw a line out here, straight line there for the hand. Oh, I'm excited. Curve over here. Curve front here, front digit. You know he's gonna be pointing like this, like you, sir, the imposter, not me. Pulling in, pulling down. There's a line down right there. And I'm gonna give him like a little nub of a thumb, right? This is his thumb. Yeah, he's kind of doing this. If you watched my last video, I talked about hands a lot. I have a free. I'm gonna make it free. On my Gumroad. Wink. Free on my Gumroad. I'm gonna have a how to draw cartoon hands ebook. I believe it's an ebook or I can't remember what it was, but I'm gonna make it free. Okay, so go check that out. Download it free and learn. Okay, I want you to go there after this. Don't go now, or if you want to go now, go. But I notice hands are a big issue with people, and I wanted to make an easy guide. L shape right here, which is obviously his, hands are curled up. And you can do one of two things. You can add another one over here, right? Or you can draw like the fold in here, or both, like I just did. And now he's got this cool, like kind of like master hand kind of hand going on. They need to put a crewmate in Smash Brothers. Wouldn't that be amazing? Oh my gosh, love that. They need to put a crewmate in Smash Brothers, the Super Smash Bros. That'd be amazing. One of the other games I'm obsessed with, other than this, is Super Smash Brothers. I gotta do more tutorials on that. I have a bunch already, but I gotta do way more. Sing a song. Alrighty, that. Well, let me hold on one second. Not yet. Let me. Lines. You're just fixing up, repair a couple of lines here. How you doing with that soda? You doing good? You doing good with that soda? I hope you're doing good. That juice. Minor, don't worry about it. You can go, by the way. If you need to go, go. If you need to go to the bathroom, if you leave, don't worry about it. But right now, I'm just kind of repairing the lines. So we're mostly done. Mostly. One second. Just trying to fix stuff up here. Okay, that is it. Now I'm done. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. If you liked this, hit the like, because then it'll tell me what to do on this channel. I'll be like, oh, there's a lot of likes on that. They must want more of it. I will do it. Okay? Other than that, share the video. Sharing is caring. You guys are amazing, and I want to hug every one of you, but yeah. But it's the internet, so we're not going to do that. All right. Talk to you later. I will see you next time. I've been Enrique. This is Easy Pictures to Draw. See ya.